Guys, welcome to our channel. There was some network error, so I have to log out and come once again. So now it's the data time. Gold is just giving 1 minute time frame. It's very giving very good momentum upside, but we will wait. This is the resistance area. So I'll be sharing the trades in my Telegram. Kindly join. Those who are not joined yet, kindly like us, subscribe us, and follow for good levels and all. So BTC also we are seeing it's in 1 minute time frame it is making double top. So we will wait. If we see larger time frame, yeah, larger time frame 440 or like this is the liquidity area. I will mark it over here. So if we are thinking of selling, so let's if we think about selling, we should wait for the liquidity area, and we can see dollar index move quite downside. So as this candle moved, we had seen spike in the gold. So uh, as I tell every time that whenever you trade in gold, you must check the dollar index levels. So these are the levels. If it go beyond this, we'll be buying in gold, and above this, we'll be selling from high. So let's check the data. Once again, it is coming. See, gold has taken liquidity of 4020, and I think it's ending in this one data is neutral. If we check, two is neutral means buy. So let's open with the it's taking time. Oh shit, it's taken liquidity and given good move. Already I have mentioned the levels. I was waiting for this liquidity area and it has given one movement as of now, but it's okay. Let it sustain. No movement in dollar index as of now. We'll check crude oil. Crude oil is quite positive. You can see over here. Still data is showing pending. Let's see in 5 minutes chart. It has taken upside liquidity of this area and came down. Let it sustain for a while. So it has taken buy liquidity also and lower side liquidity also. So no changes in data, so it is indicating that it can go upside. But in 30 minutes candle, it is coming quite down. And it's above. Let us see that it is closing above 200 EMA or not. This is 200 EMA. So we will see a quite up move if this candle is coming inside of the last candle. No? Upside liquidity it has taken, downside liquidity it has taken. So above this, we'll think for buy. Data is quite buy because as we see dollar index movement in a 5 minute time frame. So it has done also the same thing. It first it has came down, then coming up now. If you see in 1 minute time frame, long spike, 4380 level. It has taken all the liquidity of the buyers from here to here. Now it is going to shoot up. As I told, it's going to shoot up. So we will see a good buying momentum. First target is 4440, and it came to here. So we will see at least up to here. Above this, we will see more upward movement in gold. I will wait to cross 4440. Then after I will be in buying. As I'll wait for some time because just now data came, and as I told, it was quite positive. So we'll wait for it. Above 4440, we can see good buying. Let's see this candles where it is going to close. As we see, the torrent is coming up and gold is showing down momentum. A strong candle formation above 4430, like this top of the candle, we will see for further buy move. The data indicates buying, but let's see the move. Bitcoin in that last 30-minute candle, it took upside liquidity, came down, and it's coming down. It's not holding the lower liquidity area. So if it closes under this candle, we can see again up move till here minimum. If it is closing below that, we will see a down move. Below this area, this is good for gold for going upwards. 99.600. Dollar index below this will show a good move for gold, but we will wait. Why we are seeing in gold a double top pattern? If you see in shorter time frame, it's like double top pattern. So now above the level of 443230, we'll see by it will come up to here minimum. Below this level, I told it will show a buy move. But in very short term, this is 1 minute candle. 1 minute candle, it given movement of up to 4382, from 4382 to 4432. Like 50 points movement it has given. So we'll wait. I will wait for it. Below this range only we will go for selling, or else we will wait. Above this we'll see a buy. But as it is not sustaining this, it should have sustained this downside, then we would have seen a down momentum like this, but it has not sustained. So I am expecting a good move upside for short term. Bitcoin is not able to sustain the move on higher side, rejecting the levels. And if you see 5-minute time frame, it's below 100 EMA and 200 EMA. It's below that. So let's see the candle. What is the conclusion of the candle, where it is going to close? Coming down. We'll wait for it. Gold is trying to show good momentum. We'll check it out. Dollar index is below the last day low. This is the last day low, and it is closing below. Let's see how much it sustains. As it will move up, we can see good momentum in gold. As I told, let's see. Above 4430, we can see a small target of 4440. And if we see Bitcoin is not sustaining, something is fishy over here, or else Bitcoin would have give momentum. So let's see. Above this level, we enter on buy for short trade for 4440. As I told, for buying, good level is the level of 4440. Above this, if it gives some momentum like this, we'll enter. It came up to 35, 40 levels. Above this, I told first target will be near to this, at least 5 to 7 point it has given movement. Bitcoin is running opposite. Let's see. Let's market settle down. And meanwhile, we should check the news also. No certain news. Data was quite positive for gold because no changes from the forecast. So we have seen a up move in gold, as you can see. From here, it should touch up to here. As I told, it came up, means it is not sustaining. If it would have sustained this low, respected the low from the next candle, then we would have thought of selling. But it came up from very next candle. So highly possible to see up move. First target, as I told, 4440 if it is sustaining with a green candle. It came up to 4438. As I told that good buying will be, healthy buying will be above the level of 4440, but it is not able to sustain the level of 4440. So we'll wait. Why? Because data reaction market has given. As we see this candle, this red candle, it was found when the news came. So we can see the liquidity of this it has taken. So might be possible that it can come up to here, 4382 again. But with we should see in a small target and see the market sentiment also. It has taken the upside liquidity. As I was mentioning, that double top it is showing in shorter time frame. So first target will be up to here, 4420. Almost coming very fast momentum. But we should wait. As I told, Bitcoin is coming down, something is fishy. Or else Bitcoin would have sustained. It is not sustaining. So gold is also following the same pattern. See, dollar index came down and coming up, so we can see a downside move in gold. But now we have to wait for it. This is a breakout area, so this can be the first liquidity. We can enter buy from here with a small SL of this. Like if you are buying from the 20 level, the small SL will be like 4415 something. But in fast momentum, I will not ask to buy. We should wait for some time, let market sustain. Let market sustain. Signs are for buy side, but market can fall down with the news. If something is going on, say it reach the target of 4420. If reversal means it should reverse from here only. If not, it will be coming up to here. Firstly, or it should reverse like this. It took the SL, again it should come up and like this and this. So for upside, we should see for a smaller target of 4400. This is near around 4400. So we can see up to there. But I am not going to trade anything in between this candle of the news. As I told, it can take liquidity and move up. See, it came to here, taken liquidity and moving upside. But Bitcoin is a little bit culprit over here. Bitcoin move, we can see that good momentum was there, but it doesn't sustain the momentum. So it's better to wait and watch for a small trade again. Same pattern, if it does like that only, so again it can come up to here. But movement is fast, I'll ask to wait. Let's see. Bit can also come up to here first, and below this, if same structure it is making. Things are buy for Bitcoin and gold, but the thing is totally depend upon what the news is going on. If not, it can take reversal from here also. Same like structure it is making over here, as I told that it can tap the liquidity of the breakout area. We can see here when the news came. Then after it tapped the liquidity and then coming up. So it can touch first up to here. Then again above this, if this setup will be there, then we can see the target of this line I have drawn over here. Now it's sustained. If you see, if you want to see the lower level, we can see this area it has sustained for a longer time frame. This is area, it's about our selling area will be this. Up to this. If it break this line, we can see target up to here. We'll wait for it. Bitcoin taking liquidity of this candle. If we see it is in a shorter time frame, we can see reaching it up to here 64,400 level. So buying will be above this 64,400 level, or else it will hit SL. Proper buying will be a breakout of a strong candle, green candle, then after we can see this, or else we will see this for shorter target up to here. As I told, it came, took liquidity, and it came the breakout area. This was the breakout area, and this candle made top. It took the liquidity of this candle, and it came up to here, and again reversing back. As I told that it can go up to first here, then breaking out with this zone with a strong candle, green candle. We will see further buy move, or else we will wait. Why? Because if we see the area of 4430 and 4440, there are multiple tops. So buying in this area is not good. We should wait. If you see in longer time frame, the liquidity area is 4440 to 4450, upper liquidity area. So it can move up to there. Highly chances are there. And if it wants to go up, it can climb that area. If it is sustaining over that, we can see further up move also. Market is gambling and doing very fast movement. Why? Because of the news, whatever is going on. Because of that, volatility is, we can see that volatility is too much. If we see dollar index, see if it is showing up move, gold is quite coming little bit down. If we see crude came a bit down, Brent oil, crude oil too. The target of 4430 has been achieved. As I told that when it took the liquidity, it can come up to here. It's already achieved. Now breaking the strong candle above this area, we can see a good buying momentum. But why I'm waiting for this is multiple top area is this. We see in longer time frame. See, we can see that multiple top area is there. That's why I told that above 4440 Above 4440, if it is making breaking with a strong candle, no, then after we will see good buy momentum. And if we see in longer time frame, see in 1 hour candle is also almost came to the target, you can see. Made high up to 4436, from 4420 to 4436, good momentum. But 4440, the area I can show you in this chart. See, this is like double top zone. So better, good buy momentum. If you're seeing buy, we'll wait for 4440. Above that, it can show further big move. And if you see in 4 hour candle, 4 hour candle is also showing good strength. So target done, this target also done, this target also done. And I told 4440, it will be also, it will be touching within some minutes, I think. As I updated, the data was buy for gold, no changes in the, for whatever the forecast was expected. See, gold is reaching in the target. Achieved. 4440 also achieved. I have marked already these things. If you see in smaller time frame, it has done the target. This target was also achieved from here. As I told, same pattern, you can see it came down again here, then came up. Two targets has been achieved from here to here and here to here. So this was the thing I am fearing about, that this is double top. This area is double top. So better we should wait in these levels. As there is move in dollar index, we can see backward, see, touch the target, again came down. Bitcoin is under the candle of the news. When the news came, this candle was formed. It took by a lower side liquidity, but it is not moving like gold. Gold did properly. It came down, then again came up, then again down, again took the liquidity, came down, again came up, took the higher side liquidity. I was mentioning 4440 is double top area. So we should wait. If we see in longer time frame, so this can be a good resistance. If it breaks, we can see good move up to 4500. I am expecting. If not, if it is coming below this, we will see a short below 4, below 4400, nearby that. And this kind of pattern will be, if it is forming, we will think of selling. Two targets has been achieved in live trade. I have shown. It is respecting the level of 4440. This is the level. A moment like this, we will see further buying. As this is a multiple top area, so we should not place buy without any candle confirmation. We should wait. 2 targets were achieved in the momentum. As I updated in shorter time frame, I had clearly told the momentum for gold. From here, I told that this target will come, and from this level again, I told it will come up to 40, almost 20, 30 points we have seen. This is the area of consolidation it will do, and further breakout with a strong green candle, and we'll see if it is breaking. Then after only we can see a good move, or else we have to wait. I think for dollar index, this will be the major level, 99,500, near to this. If it is going below this, gold will shoot. If it is reversing back, again gold will see the downside momentum. So we'll wait for it. Gold is showing some struggle in the upper area. But today it can show good move. So coming down, it would have came up to here, then a strong red candle breakdown. Then again we would have seen this. Now it is in range. On momentum, gold has given. Now it is in range. Same like Bitcoin. Dollar index is near to the low, candles low. Let's see what gold can show the moment. As per data and as per the dollar index move, we can see buy move. But similarly, one concern is there that this is the double top pattern in the longer time frame. So we have to see whether it is breaking the level of 4440 or not. If 4440 is broken, we can see further up move. Already 30 to 40 points we covered in gold. Selling, I told, from here it came up to here, and buying, as I told, if it come up and it will go up to 4440, and it came. Now waiting for the momentum. Let's see where it's going to give the moment. Dollar index also taken the liquidity of this low. Again, it came up. So we can see downside momentum in gold too. Small candle, red candles. As I told, if it is breaking 99.500, we can see upside momentum, or else we can see a little bit downside. So let's wait for it. Bitcoin also in range now. Dollar index has made a critical low of 99.530. So this is the area. No, low of, sorry, 99.505. And this took liquidity also. So it can come up little bit, and below this we can see good downfall, and that will push gold upside. Let's see, we have to wait. Now in a complete range. As we can see the downfall in gold and dollar index, and even breakout of the from the trend line. Bitcoin proper ceiling zone will be below 63,800. Even now it can come up to here, but it can take reversal up to from 63,800, and strongly if it breaks, then again we can see further downside. Same like in gold. Gold is in range now. This is the complete range. Let's see it breakouts or breakdown. As we can see, dollar index have moved and down move in gold. So again, minimum it can come up to here, 4420. It's coming to touch 4420 and it will touch the level. Bitcoin is also near to 63,800 level. As we can see the up move in dollar index, sharp up move. So it's touching the target of 4420 also. Now it's 4421. So this is what I was fearing. This is double top area if we see in longer time frame. No? If we see in 1 hour time frame, see double top area. So the small SL above this would have been a good selling from here. That's why I was telling if it is sustaining above 4440, then after we can see buying. But it doesn't sustain. See again touch the level of 4420 and sustaining. We'll wait for it. This is respecting 100 EMA gold. We can see here. This is the area. So every time I'm telling, whenever you trade in gold, always compare with it dollar index. You can see the move of dollar index totally reciprocal with gold. So it's very good if you're trading, and it will be clear idea that the moment it is capturing, see it's coming down, you can see spike in gold. Overall data is buy, but this same thing is coming, the double top pattern in longer time frame, 4440, this area. Unless it breaks with a strong candle, we should not go buy for gold for big targets. And we can trade in a small range, like we can see the 15 minutes or 5 minutes candle, and we can see the liquidity area of that. So this candle was strong bull candle, then after it hit the upper and first lower liquidity, then upper liquidity, and this candle took this liquidity, came down again, positive momentum. As I told, target will come up to here, again it is showing momentum. You can see the dollar index move. A good buying will be below this. If it is going, US dollar is going below this, we can see a good buy momentum above 4440, and target will be straight up to 4500. After data, manipulation is there. People will come to buy, people will sell. So it had both the SLs, buyer and seller SL both. A small trend line is coming from upper end. We can see from here. Yes, that is positive. Dollar index sustaining below this low means it will fall, it can fall. But as we had seen a good downfall momentum after the news, so it is sustaining as of now. Gold again in a range now. 4420 again, the level is there. Below this will go for selling, and above this will go for buy with a strong breakout and breakdown respectively. If not, we'll better wait. If Bitcoin is positive, it can take the liquidity of 63,800 and can come up. And if it is as to go down, it will break this 63,800. And then after strong breakdown with a red candle, then we'll find the opportunity to sell. As I told, it will come up to 4420. It almost came up to here, but the round is giving upside momentum, so we can see a downfall over here in gold. So let's see whether it will respect this area or not. The next area is 4400 approx, 44,500 like that. I have drawn this. It can come up to there with a strong breakdown. If this candle, if it is formed here, then we would have seen good downfall. If not, we should wait. Again, target came from up to here. There 10 point 30 40 points. Those who are seeing and let's see whether it respects this level or not. It's breaking the level of 4420. Let's see whether it's breaking strongly or not. Dollar index is coming from the danger zone. So it has broken this level of 4420. Now we can see up to here 4405 level. Let's see. It is coming inside, so we will avoid the trade if it is coming inside. If not, we should wait. Let's see, we can see if it is respecting the level of 4420, we can see up to 4405. Bitcoin also, as I told, 63,800 level. It can reverse from here, or if a strong red candle breakdown, will take it further downside. So if we see the war news and all, no, we can see long term means selling will be there from higher levels, because it's not very easy that war will end up smoothly. There will be certain things always going on for the war news, so it's quite difficult. So we should not have a single side view or momentum that it should be in buy or it should be in sell. So see up down, how many times? Like 40 to 50 points we have booked. So again, it is sustaining below. As I told, if it is respecting the level of 4420, we can see minimum it should come up to 4405. It's respecting the level of 4420. Let's see whether it sustains or not. As we see momentum, if showing buy momentum in dollar index, gold will spike, and if it is coming down, oh, sorry, if dollar index is coming down, gold will spike. As we can see, it's showing red candle. We can see here small green candles, but below this, I'm expecting up to here. Already 4 points it has given movement. It's coming 15, 4415. Same like momentum, but this drawings are drawn before only, before the moves. So we can see a good momentum. Till now it is respecting the level of 4420. Let's see. If it is in range bound, we can see this momentum above this. If not, already I have told, it's waiting, means it will come up to here minimum. Unless it is sustaining the level of 4420, we will wait. See, we have seen good momentum again. From 4420 to it came up to 4412. So we have to wait for it. Again, it is coming. Those who are booking small, they can book very easily. Good points it is giving. As I told, below this we can see this level. Let's see, because it is respecting 4420. If dollar index is giving little bit upside momentum, gold is coming down, and if it is giving little bit downside momentum, gold is coming up. Respecting the trend line, let's see. Same no momentum, it's respecting the level. Let's see whether it can come up to this line or not. It should come. Why? Because it's respecting, or else it would have came up and given momentum like this. But no signs of that. And as I told, dollar index is coming up, so it is giving downside momentum. See, good downside move. Easily 10 points came, and from I told below this 4420 we can see this level. So if those who have sold from 4420, it came up to 4410, like 10 points again, like total 40 to 50 points we have booked in this minimum time frame from which time I'm live. So I'm expecting it come to up to here minimum firstly. So this sign I see breaking 4408. You can book, those who want they can book, or we can wait up to here. We can trail SL below the entry point. Like we can keep 4418, and this is very good target actually 10 point we can book also. Sharp up move in dollar index. So 40 to 50 points in live we have seen. Bitcoin tapped the level of 63,800 and came under it. Again, it can go down if it is breaking it strongly. The waiting area, this is 63,800 to 64,400. In between this, only range bound is expected, and below this, we can see down move. Bitcoin took liquidity coming up. If it want to come up, it should the next candle should not close below this candle. Then again we can see sharp up move. First target will be up to here 64,100 something. Yeah. If it is coming down again, we should wait. All the levels I am telling very clearly. Dollar index is coming down. Gold is giving upside momentum. It's coming up, it's going down. This is the thing going on, it's completely range bound momentum now. Again above 4420, we can see again up move up to here 4440. First 4430, then 4440. Respecting the level of 4420, as I told, above this only we can think of buy, or else we will wait. See, sharp downfall from the level of 4420. Crude oil is coming down, so we may expect that 4400 or this area can be the buying area for gold, because data is also buying. So we can't see one directional move. Till now, dollar index is coming up, so we can see a little bit down move. As it will fall down, there will be sharp up move in gold. Why? Because if you see the longer time frame, if you are seeing, like if you see 1 day time frame, this is last day high, last day low. So it has taken the liquidity of last day high. So it might come down, but if it sustains above this, like same 4440 area, if it is giving breakout, we can see, I think no major resistance area is there. Directly we can see 4500 in gold. So data was buying, we should respect the data. Already buy came once, but the dollar index is not supporting. Like you can see, it is making green candle. We are seeing down candle in gold in shorter time frame. So above 4440 is a very good buying. We can see direct up to 4485, 4500. I am expecting. Let's see. So it's coming above now, 4420. A small move in dollar index, kicking it high. Again, it broke 4420, sharp up move. So if it comes down up to here, like again 4420, we can buy again. We should not jump in direct buying. In direct buying also, those who have bought after breaking this level, they would have booked up to 5 points. But I will not buy like this. It should come. It should take a pullback. Then after data is buy, it can go strongly buy also. But strongly buy, I will only recommend above the 4440 level. The area is open after that green zone. It can go up to 4500 levels. So we'll wait for it. Trend line broke, respected, came up. Again, this area broke 4420. Directly it went up. We will wait for it. No hurry worry in market. If your level come, enter. If not, let it be. See, our index down move. This is little downfall. So it is showing up move strongly. It is indicating that gold want to go up, but It should also respect the news. It's coming directly. If we see in 5 minute time frame, there will be strong candle. See, there is strong candle. So easy target is 4430. It's near to that. Next 4440. Four four two nine 444430. Touch the target. Four four three zero. As I told, it will touch up to here. It touched the up to here. I told. Beautiful trend line is there. This is quite down little bit. Sharp up move. Respecting the data, as I told, data was buy. Bitcoin is coming down. Dollar index is down. Respecting the level. 4430 is high resisting area. In this zone, we should not trade. Above this, it can go up to this. But as we saw here, below this, it should have for 10 points. Actually, it came. So 10 point can go. But above 4440 is a green buy zone. It will fly. We have covered from here to here, here to here, here to here, again here to here, again here to here, and from above this here to here. So very good move we captured, and now market is expecting 4030 area. As we can see, up move in dollar index, and there will be downfall if it is going little bit up, but gold is strong. Dollar index is not going below the above the breakdown area. This was the after news that it came and sustaining downside, as I told even before. See, buying 40 will be the easy target. Above 4430, we can see up to here. This candle should not come below this. Then easily we can see up to here, and from here sky is the high. We have achieved good targets. Dollar index move. Breaking the trend line and above 4430. We should wait. Let's see whether it respects the area of 4430 or not. If it is respecting, again it can move up to here 4440. If not, again 4420. It's respecting the area of 4430. Let's see. This was the area of Bitcoin breakout area. It's coming below. So we can see downfall in gold also, but it is not coming below 63,800. We'll wait for it. If it should, it has to go down. No, it should not come up these levels. Or might be waiting for the sessions, upcoming session or crude oil data is there. Lower liquidity it has taken. For this move it has taken liquidity, for this move it has taken, for this move it has taken. So upside for this move it has taken and this move is pending. So 4144 at least it should go. Let us see whether it moves or not. Respecting the area of 4430, still holding it. We'll wait. Bitcoin also respecting the level of 63,800. It taken the liquidity. Only major concern is this is double top area. This is the problem. This area. In longer time frame, you can check out. Bitcoin again in the June. You should check the news. As we can see, Bitcoin broke the level of 63,800. So we can see more downfall. Bitcoin broke, so gold also coming in the zone. Below 800, it is falling down. Bitcoin. So let's see, it should come up to here. First to here 63,600, then after 63,500. It came up near to 63 650 level. So below 800 we see 150 point move again in gold, same like fast momentum is there, but respecting the levels you can see. As I told, it will break 800. We can see good down move. First target will be like 63,600. It achieved the target of 63,600. Second will be 500. Gold again below this we can see very good targets are coming. Those who are watching, they would have book good. If respecting this level, again upside move, but good move above Bitcoin sharp fall you can see. Below this level, I told clearly mentioned below 63,800 there will be good down move. So 200 point immediately within seconds it came. Gold is sustaining the level. We'll wait. I will show my trades on my Telegram and other platforms. Kindly join with us. Many targets achieved. Live trades I have shared. Almost 50 to 60 points we covered in gold and more to come. Bitcoin almost touched up to 63,500 level. We have captured this buying move, this selling move, this buying move, this selling move, this selling move, this buying move. So very good points we have captured. Dollar index going down, pushing gold a little bit upside again. So this range 30 to 24 for 3020 range. From downside to upside, upside to downside. Above this, we can see this move up to 4440. So again, 4430 level, it is respecting. It can come up to there. So we can see again it tapped 4430 level. Complete range bond we can see in the movements. So I'm expecting downside only from means in range from upper level to down, from down level to upside. As if it follows the Bitcoin, it should go down. And dollar is coming up again, it will come down. So from here again, we can see up to here move like 4420. I clearly indicated a good buying will be seen above 4440 level. If it is not coming, we should wait for it. It's respecting the level of 4430. Let's see whether it sustains or not. Bitcoin also taking a pullback from the lower level. Breaking the level of 3330 again. See, sharp move in Bitcoin from the lower levels, like exact 63,500 near to that. 540 sharp move we can see. Gold also giving sharp move upside. Above 44330 level, I told it will reach up to 4440. Let's see, it's a healthy breakout or a fake breakout. Again, double top pattern you can see in shorter time frame. If we take this triple top, so strongly breakout from these levels, we can see sharp up move as we can wait in these levels. Gold is showing that you don't want to go down. Above 6300 for Bitcoin, we can see more buy. We'll remove this. All the targets almost came. So we'll wait for this move. If it breakouts come under this level, we will see buying move. Gold has multiple rejection in this level here, but minimum it should come up to here for higher liquidity ones. Let's see, it will come or not. For buying move, this will be the SL below. Below we can put SL like 63,475. We can put SL, and we can wait above this level will be good buying. If it is coming under it again, it will show a down move. It's better to wait. So expected again 430 level. Let's see whether it should move or not. Meanwhile, check the news. If any news would have came. Iran holding firm on conditions as MOU set to expire on Sunday. So this liquidity is pending still. It can come once, it should come, but by the way, it's market. We can only analyze the things, but it should come up to here. It came almost 4435, 36. After it, if it takes liquidity in this area and coming under it, then it may fall further. And breaking with a strong candle, we can see good buy move. As I told, it should come up to 4440 level. It came up to 4437. 3 points remaining, but given good move, no, above from 4420 to again 50, yeah, 15 points move. So it's a quite good move. Crude oil data is on the way. Core PPI, this is what was this data? Sorry, natural gas storage is today. What was yesterday? I saw last date. In most of the time in double top patterns, good selling is coming. So it will be strong resistance. So this is the thing. If it respect those things, we can see good selling from here. Means like 4440 or hardly if we take liquidity of 4 this level means it can come up to 4445 or 4450. After then, if it comes under with red strong candle, we can go for selling. So market again in a range now, a 20-point range in gold. 20 if actually from 4420 to 4440 no trade zone is there, but it given good momentum in smaller time frame. We saw good momentum. We saw in a range and good points like 50 to 60 points. If we calculate, we have booked live whatever I told that we can do and we can trade. So any queries you can ask and you can suggest also. And the trades, whatever I have taken, I will share in Telegram. Please join us. So a good trend line is coming from the lower level. So it may push up to here. Liquidity, you can see clearly it is showing 4442. Minimum it can go. Yeah, now this spike will take it off. When a spike, it will reach the target of 4442 or 44 minimum. If you see in 5-minute time frame, a kind of double top pattern it is forming. So if it is coming up, it should take the liquidity. If not, we should wait. So as I told, it was, you can say, one spike target is reached. Let's see it follows the double top pattern or not. So if it is coming below this, then we can keep SL of this, but I am not satisfied. Why? Because it should have given a spike up to here at least 4 4 area. But Bitcoin is not coming up, so both doubtful things are there. So better above 4440 we should buy for a good target. If not, we'll wait. No issues. Market has given small 50 to 60 points, and that is mega. We can calculate in mega things. People are booking 1 2 points. So those who can understand, they can understand properly. Those who not, we can't able to make them understand. Bitcoin in range above 63,800. Again, we will see this kind of pattern. Then we can see upside move. And 63,800 below, as I told, it has given sharp move up to 63,500 near to that level. And gold, we have booked this buying momentum, selling momentum, buying, selling, again selling, this buying, this buying, this buying. I have suggested. So more than 50 points I have suggested that we can see the targets, and it came. And why I am not telling strong buy? Why? Because in long term, long time frame, again and again I am saying it's a double top zone. If it has to run bigger, it should break out with a strong green candle. Then after, we can see good target up to 4500. If not, we should wait. And it's showing buy only. So in making to wait, it will shoot up. I guess my psychology is telling it can, but although it is a market, data was quite buy, but the war tension is still. If war was not there, no, we would have seen gold flying today above 4500. But because something war, they are talking some deal thing and something, so it is hanging around these levels. Dollar index down move, we can see spike in gold. Now it's waiting. It's preparing before the run or bull run or what? I don't know. Why Bitcoin is showing down? I'm not understanding. If it is, it has to go up. It should come up this level, 63,800. Maybe a trapping. Dow Jones came down. It was like 150 point positive. Now it's 26 point. So as I told, for me, it was a best sell trade from here as double top pattern was there, but I was expecting that it should touch this level. So I will wait, no issues. And in longer time frame, at least minimum 15-minute time frame, if it is coming below this, let's see. 15-minute time frame, it may create a fair value gap. Yeah, let's break out here. You should not hurry. This movement, if we had go, we would have got 5 iPhones. Yeah. Let's see. There is no directional move. No, that is the problem. See, again, spin top. This will spike. Definitely, this will spike. BTC is not supporting. If you would have came up now, there would be. We had seen some strength in gold, but it's not coming up. It's being quite down. 3434. It touched up to where 39, almost 40. It would have touched minimum 4444. Again, dollar index in range. If it would have sustained below this, no, 99600, and even the low was there, no, this level I have marked. Till now, we would have seen 4500, but market will not give target as you wish. It will make to wait. See, it's struggling to touch the level of 4440. Very strong level, 4440. Strong breakout in higher time frame, and then after we search in shorter time frame to buy. Until that, we'll wait. Keep checking the news. Rate hike. There are no discussion over extending ceasefire. This is quite negative, I guess. Again, US Iran agreed to extend 60-day ceasefire. This 45 minutes ago news. As oil demand destruction intensifies, is quite negative for gold, I guess. US information report Wednesday should be a big deal for the Fed. What is this? This news came 5 hours ago, and this it is showing. And this is the senior Iran shows there are no discussion on extending ceasefire. This we can take as negative only. See, Bitcoin is not sustaining, it may show more downfall. We can sell over here gold like 36, 37, but the thing is, it has not yet taken the liquidity of this candle, this area. As I told earlier, for double top pattern, this is the best selling point. But conditions I am not understanding. Dollar index coming up. That US is quite down. See, you would have sold, yeah. But even though we are doing good, 40 came again. Oh my god, oh my god. Shit. I was telling that I am feeling to sell from here and what kind of momentum it has given. Super. Okay, I think this news came. So natural gas. I think it's buy. It's quite positive. Crude oil is little bit negative. It's full confusing. What's going on? Dollar index gave spike and again came down. What's moving market? See, this area was super for selling here. Double top pattern. I'm telling continuously, but even though I didn't enter here. Why? Because I was expecting a spike above the level of this 4440. Still, this area is pending. If deals are not done, we can see down move. As Iran officials told that deal is not going on. Iran holding firm on condition as MOU set to expire on Sunday. If we see here, 1 minute term, USA has total control over the Strait of Hormuz. What is this here? USA has total control over, I think will keep it. Your naval blockade is being called by everyone wall of steel. What kind of comment is this here? Iran can do about that. They have no air force. The remaining children unpaid, feeling this. They no man. This country is short. All they have is fake news and 300 information and getting was Iran is all talk and no action. The bull will no longer praise to Allah President Donald Trump. So below 20 again, we can see this target was pending. Below 20 again, it will move up to here. Some news came. Bitcoin also broken the level of 500. Let's see it's respecting the level of 500 or not. Dollar index has given breakout in 1 hour chart. Gold is below 20. Let's see whether it is sustaining or not. It has given one spike. We have to see whether it respects the level or not. Bitcoin respecting the level of 500, and gold is also near to 4420 level. Let's see whether it sustains or it's going to give breakdown. Bitcoin completely respected the level of 500. Below this, it can show more downfall. Let's see what's going to be. We should wait for it. That was the amazing level for gold. Yeah. This level, I was telling, keep on telling, this is the double top, triple top pattern. It should fall down from here, but it doesn't. Let's see if gold is breaking down this. It should come up to 4410. Bitcoin is breaking down. Ethereum also we can sell from this levels, I think, and the SL will be like near to 1904. 1904 will be the level of the SL, but let's see. Below 4420, 4 points movement we can capture. It came up to 4416. Now it's running like 4417. Let's see Bitcoin where it can come up to. If this area is sustaining, if this low it's breaking with a strong candle, we can see good target. Please check the news whatever you are getting. Trump claims US control over crude oil. Crude oil inventory is selling only, I guess. Gold and Bitcoin sustaining in the levels of breakdown. Strong candle below this will take for the downside move. We were in good selling from here and it came up to here near to 500 level. Again it came above 63,800 took the liquidity. Again, it's coming below that. So if it is sustaining, both Bitcoin and gold is respecting the level. Let's see what's going to happen. Pattern was drawn earlier, same like below 4420 it came up to here 4416 level. Let's see it can go below this or not. Respecting the level of 4420. Dollar index came sharply upside. So we can see Bitcoin now breaking successfully the level of 500. Let's see whether it sustains or not. It is smaller time frame, 5 minute time frame. Still, there is time to close, so we can't take it as granted that it has broken the level. So it's better to wait. Gold is trying to break the level of 4420. It's showing that it can go up. It is has a strength, but let's see how it can sustain it. But a very good downfall move. It came up to 4440 from. Dollar index is making high. Why the gold is going upside? Fight is going on in major levels. We can see a good spike in gold. Gold is giving breakout. Bitcoin is also sustaining the level. Again, it has taken the liquidity of 4430, and again it is under not giving any side move clearly. Below this only we can see Bitcoin below 500, we can see good move. Before that we should not enter. Dollar index given a sharp upside move. Gold is rejecting this level 4420 level and this level of 4430. It is in completely range bound. Below this we can see a good downfall move. It is not moving. If it was had respected the data, it should have went up by the time. But if we see a long trend line is coming from upper level, we can take this. This level was marked earlier. Neither it went upside or not downside. Dollar index came quite very good upside 0.200 point. It's up, so it can come up to here till the high and liquidity of this like 99.760. So it can push, but I think gold is not ready to go down. So it's better unless it is coming the below this 4400 level. We can't think of buying, and selling goods. Buying will be above 4440 level. Market is in range. It may give movement after some time or what. We don't know. If possible, I'll be coming at night. And thank you. We captured very good moves. Kindly support us, like us, subscribe us. You can message and join Telegram also. And see you soon, guys. Thank you very much.